Shares in Empire trading higher. The company, parent of chains such as Sobeys and Longo's, boosting its dividend by more than 9%, but also taking steps to improve profits from Voilà, its online ordering and delivery business. It's pausing the development of a new warehouse, a centre in Vancouver. Meanwhile, Amazon has made returns easier. Customers can now drop off items label-free and box-free at staple stores across Canada. Let's get more on these retail stories with Bruce Winder, retail analyst at Bruce Winder Retail. Bruce, great to see you as ever.
Yeah, thanks for having me on, Andrew.
Talk to us about, we'll start off with Empire/Sobeys, if that's okay. So it sounds like they haven't been making as much money from grocery delivery as they hoped, and so they're slowing down the rollout a bit.
Yeah, it's an interesting one, Andy, because back during the pandemic, Sobeys and Empire made a really big bet on Ocado, which is really sort of a fixed cost solution, where you put a lot of money into special warehouses, and there's a little less variable cost. Some of the other grocers did the opposite. They said we're going to focus more on variable cost models. But it looks like what's happened here is grocery online sales have slowed a bit. They've grown, but not grown perhaps as much as they could have. So what you're seeing now is you're seeing Empire say, hold on, let's put the brakes on our Vancouver warehouse. It's a big investment, big capital expenditure, more fixed cost in the business model, perhaps until they can get the volume up in their Montreal, Toronto, and Calgary operation.
Is there a sense in which they've lagged Loblaw in the delivery arena? I mean, I do see quite a few Voilà vans around Toronto.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't have the exact market share in front of me, but I mean, yeah, they've been pretty steady. I see a lot of them in Toronto as well, and it was applauded, when they first started this as an interesting development. But the whole Ocado thing is kind of a little bit under fire right now. If you look at Kroger in the U.S., they have paused some of their warehouse buildings with Ocado as well. So it sounds like it's more sort of a online grocery thing, and just using this fixed cost model of trying to handle it. So the jury's out. We'll have to see where this ends up.
Sorry, who is that other company you mentioned that had been working with Ocado?
Ocado is Kroger in the U.S. They're a big grocer.
Yes,
and then Marks and Spencer in the U.K. and then Coles down in Australia. So they've got a few big clients like this.
Yeah, and we did see, as you probably saw, a big sell-off in Ocado in London trading today. People disconcerted to hear that Sobeys slowing down and actually walking away from the exclusive partnership. This is a fascinating one. Amazon teaming up with Staples to make it much easier to return goods. You just walk into a Staples store.
Yeah, this is kind of exciting because, one of the last barriers, one of the last pain points in e-commerce is returns. And it doesn't happen all the time, but when it happens, it can be a real pain. So I was excited to see this because now you can take your Amazon order, get a QR code, bring it to a Staples. There's like 300 Staples in Canada. You don't need a box, you don't need a label, and they'll take it and handle the process the return right there. So for me, this is kind of a bit of a game changer. It's good for both companies. It's good for Amazon because their customers are given less of a pain point. It makes it easier. And it's good for Staples, too, because they're getting more traffic in their stores now. All these customers who want to return things from Amazon. And this isn't new. This is something Amazon has done in the U.S. Through Kohl's department stores as well.
I wonder, though, the whole deal with returning e-commerce goods. Now, I think some firms have brought in restrictions on returning stuff because people just go gangbusters for this, don't they? They just send back multiple items. And I mean, it has an environmental impact. There's a cost of moving all this stuff around.
It's massive. One study said that, 21% of the cost of a product on average, if it comes back, is the return cost, right? So, and return rates online are about double that of brick and mortar. So yeah, and there's a few categories like fast fashion that are really tough with returns because people might buy 4 or 5 colors or 2 or 3 sizes, try it on, keep one, and send the rest back. So it's really killing the bottom line of e-commerce players.
I'm not sure if you remember a while ago, I think they may still be doing it. Some online retailers have said, you don't like it, just keep it. Don't bother sending it back to us.
Yeah, that was something that came out a few years ago, and that was kind of interesting. It just shows you the cost of these actual items to send back for a low-ticket item. You're better off just keeping it. from a retailer perspective versus paying that cost to get it back. So yeah, this is a real tough one, a tough nugget to crack if you're an e-commerce retailer, but it sounds like Amazon's getting a step closer to making it a lot easier for everyone.